But my first job, so I grew up mowing lawns in the summer, shoveling driveways in the winter.
Oh, shoveling driveways in Newfoundland must be just, oh my God, you guys get so much snow out there. That's crazy.
But I mean, I made a lot of money. I was not afraid of work because I loved shit. I wanted to have money to buy shit. That
Right.
was the whole thing. And so I'm like, what do I got to do? What do I got? Tell me what I got to do. So I was doing that for a long, long time. And then I started making jewelry in the basement. Gay.
No.
Super gay.
You were making jewelry?
I was making jewelry. So I used to love rocks and gemstones. And have you ever you've seen tumbled stones?
Yeah.
You put them, so I used to do tumbled stones all the time. And then I started getting in the little, they call them findings, all the little metal pieces that put them all together. And I started making jewelry. And then it just became a side hustle for me all the way through junior high and high school. And at one point I had like 8 or 10 stores carrying my stuff in St. John's.
Come on, really? That's amazing. Wow.
Bracelets, earrings, brooches, like tie clips, whatever. And then I would drive around on a Saturday and go to all the stores and find out what had sold and replace the stock and get my money and all that kind of stuff. Like it was great. I was entrepreneurial from a really, really young age.
Yeah, you were.
But I mean, I think one of my first jobs was one of the stores that I was selling my jewelry to was actually in Mallard's Cottage. And for anybody who knows anything about the East Coast, Mallard's Cottage is now an internationally recognized restaurant. It is built in Mallard's Cottage, which is supposed to be the oldest living wooden structure in North America.
Really?
I think that might be up for some debate.
But it's probably very close to it, if not one of them, at least,
very,
right?
very close. And the time when I was there, it was an older lady named Peg Magnone, and she ran a little antique store, and I would go and sell her my jewelry. I'd go down on my bicycle at probably 12 or 13 years old and sell her my jewelry. And at one day she's like, do you want to work here for the summer? And I was like, little gay kid in Newfoundland working in an antique store. I'm like, yes, absolutely. And so that was, I think, my first job, like my first actually going to somewhere to sit in a place and get paid.
I love that.
What was your first job?
I think my first job was like a busboy. Like I never even graduated from high school. The day I turned 16, adios, motherfuckers. I was gone. I did terrible at school. I hated it. I'm not dumb. I'm a very smart person, but I hated it. I was bored. I wasn't engaged. Like when I left high school, I only have 9 credits. You're supposed to leave by the time you're done, I think 30 or something. I don't remember what it is.
Wow.
So I turned 16 and I left and went to be a busboy in the restaurant. I worked in the hospitality restaurants for like, that was 16, probably for like 4 years or so. And then I DJ'd in a strip club for a while. So
I remember the strip club stories. They're coming back to me now. We'll save those for later.
All right.
Who the fuck is that?